Good morning, Vishal sir. Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning, sir.
morning, sir.
So, what part of tense is done up till now?
Yes, sir.
Sir, basically, we are creating word by present, past, and past participle.
Okay. So, is there any problem to understand?
Sir, there is some new words to make a sentence.
Mm-hmm.
So, if we did any mistake, we feel any difficulty, Prashant sir is there. They are helping us.
But only thing is that you have to use it in a regular life.
Yes, sir.
Day-to-day sentences you use it because that will be the best part of practice. Though sir is explaining you and make of writing practice also. Suppose sir related with thief and caught. Those two words, present, past, and future. How you will frame it like that? You make a connectivity of two words and then frame your sentences. So now to come back to our theme, our topic. All are present.
Yes, sir. Today all are
Yes,
present.
sir.
All are present. Okay.
All are present.
All are present.
Those who were absent, Rahul, Sachin, and Shubham, did you ask them those who were absent to give an application why they were absent?
No, sir.
Probably you were supposed to take the feedback that why they were absent. No, it takes a little bit of thought now that we are five and three were present. From past 2 days, you can see Vaibhav and Sushma. 2 3 days. So if all are there, welcome back. Concluding yesterday's whatever we left from. So first, I would request sir that meanwhile what happened yesterday or how actually you worked out yesterday and what is your plan for today that you tell me. Meanwhile, sir can prepare that video what we are supposed to share with. And I was just thinking that you didn't understand anything part of our past topics. You can go proceed and you can just try to just put forward so that we can do the discussion and finally come out to a conclusion part. So yesterday where I left, so can you just tell me what happened yesterday or how was your yesterday? It is a teaching ethic, I tell you, it is a teaching ethic because it's not a one-day program in which we have to explain you everything and things are over, things are completed. Then the next batch comes out. It is an ethics of teaching only that what happened yesterday, we have to improve upon that, plan it for today, and what future will be that we have to decide. So it goes in that way. Therefore, this I ask you this question that what happened yesterday, something new. What happens? A good experience. I'm not talking about a topic. I'm talking about the thing what happened yesterday with you. It could be interesting. It could be achievable. It could be sort of a problematic situation in which you were dealing with. So I want that you should just share. So it is an ethical part, therefore we ask. And most importantly, I could get more of your communication skill. That is the reason I just wanted a connectivity between yesterday, today, and what actually we are going to suppose for tomorrow, like that. So how actually you had your yesterday? Shubham?
Hello, sir. Sir, yesterday I'm doing my homework. Those Prashant sir take to me in previous day. In previous days, after that, I went to my office and doing my work. In evening, I'm try to again create some words and reading some spelling as well as try to read some news English newspaper.
Mhm.
Try to read online newspaper.
Mhm. And what
Uh,
happened at your workplace?
Sir, yesterday I am facing some internet issue and e-Kuber issue, and I am tackling with that and so taking support to my support team. He told me it will take 2 to 3 days because of pandemic. Pandemic is going on, and here is a minimum support team. So we are taking some time to resolve that issue. So you just told a user to came down, and we will try to solve this issue in minimum time. So this thing will be happening with me. And
And what is your plan for today? Apart for your this problem yesterday you had, how will you solve it?
sir, yesterday I'm follow up with my calls. I will hand over this call to my some engineer who will came in morning, and I'm going to the afternoon. That means second shift, and I will tackle with the another thing regarding to DRDC. Uh,
Mhm.
After that, I've also met some customers. They had facing some problems, they had some two or three desktop and one laptop. So I'm handling that issue also. So these are my plans.
For today. Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we proceed. Who actually wants to share?
Vaibhav.
Yesterday would have been interesting, whatever, but I just wanted that what happened yesterday actually. I need to say the name or by yourself only it will come out.
Vaibhav talking.
Yes, Rahul,
Mm,
Sachin,
Sir, let me speak first. Or I would like to say about yesterday. Sorry, Rahul. Today is my chance. So actually, yesterday is starting from the communication class. I joined the communication class batch, the session uh, almost 4 minutes late. I heard all the session, all the words delivered by Shubham, Sachin, and Rahul.
Mhm.
I heard and I observed all. I
Mhm.
feel the same. Uh, the the day before yesterday, I am not able to join or to join the session. Some is technical problem there. That's why on Sunday I had uh, I am not decided to join that session. So about yesterday, when the class is over or the session is over, I just ran for office. I had my lunch and doing my daily work or day to day whatever work assigned to me. And yesterday was my day. That's why because some problem which is not solving by last 4 or 5th month is solved by me
Okay.
automatically. I put no extra effort, nothing. I just go there, listen and observe the problem, and I was doing a simple or step by step solution. So the
Mhm.
problem once suppose the one guy, the one HOD facing a problem in his laptop, audio problem in his laptop device. He used to say the speaker is not sounding, or the when he used to play some music, the output of the speaker is not working properly, but he is able to listen on the headphone. And he told me he's facing that problem from the last 6 or 7 months. he's
Mhm.
uh, he's actually very depressed about that problem. No one can able to solve that. So I just go there and tell him, sir, don't worry. If nothing is happen, I am doing that. Please give me some more time. Give me 3 or 4 hours. I can solve it, or I am doing going to solve it. No, do not take worry, but give me some time. It takes 3 or 4 hours. If you have free your laptop, please hand it to me. I can solve it. So I just gave his laptop with in my IT department. I uninstall driver and install it. Within the 10 minutes, problem is solved. I am happy because the problem the user is facing his the problem. The
Mhm.
problem is solved.
Uh,
I'm not feel proud. The problem is solved by me. I just feel happy because the problem is solved. User
Good.
is happy about the team, and then again some these types of work which is not solved by other engineer, I am able to solve yesterday.
Mhm.
So that's why we can say yesterday was my day, and I whatever I want to do or I am going to I what work is in my hand, I am able to solve it very smoothly. And
Mhm.
when the communication part, I used to talk with the 3 or 4 peoples. And yes, yesterday I would like to add something. I log a call in Dell. So in Dell customer service, they told us choose your language, Hindi or English. So I choose English, and near about 45 minutes, I used to talk in English for the technical person. I put my problem. I have one laptop. He's another. It has a screen problem. Sorry, hard disk problem. I I used to tell him the problem and the situation and the way and the word whatever I can use for the technical, I use it. And the other person who's in Dell help desk, he's also deliver his vocabulary whatever he has. I observed that. So I used to speak with him, Dell guy, near about 45 minutes. Then I feel again happy. Then I came to the my room in 6:30.
Mhm.
I got a call from my friend, and he also wished to talk with me. So I just talked with him near about 50 minutes, same using the English language. And
Good.
yes, I had done some mistake in grammar and pronunciation, but the happiness is I am trying to speak more, or I am delivered some more words in English. So
Mhm.
conclusion of the yesterday, yesterday was a very smoothly and happy day for me. That's it.
Mhm.
Yes,
So,
and yes.
such story of yours,
Hmm.
probably if people understand it's a sort of an inspiration. Yesterday we were discussing about inspiration. So it's a sort of an inspiration. Why I'll tell you three questions I have. First thing, when you solved the customer's problem,
Hmm.
so you had a conversation in English?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Mostly.
Now, before I'll ask you this, the user or the customer,
Yes,
what was his profession?
sir. We have one department, technical university.
Okay, okay.
So he is a principal of that department. Under him, there is a three trainer, three manager, because he's a HOD of that technical university department. And I am working in the factory. I am not
Mhm.
telling you about my working professional. I am working in ITC tobacco factory. We
Mhm.
are our main production is cigarette. So the technical university department
Mhm.
is only one department of ITC. The
Mhm.
whole uh, training is held in our factory. The
Mhm.
We had 5 to 6 factories in our all over India. So
Mhm.
all who need to develop their skill, they had
Mhm.
to come here and attend the session and go
Mhm.
their factory and then represent their skill. So
Mhm.
something like a university we developed here, and it is
Mhm.
only one university, a technical university for ITC, for the
Mhm.
technical skill. So
Mhm.
the user which problem is solved by me is a
Mhm.
principal or he's a HOD level user. So he feel happy, and I ask him, sir, okay, let it be a technical issue. How is you? What is going on with you? So he told me he's doing some two new things. He's learning a German language, and he's learning some management course also. So he
Mhm.
asked me, what is your qualification? Are you engineer? So I told you, no sir. I told him, no sir, I am a postgraduate. I am not engineer. So he asked me, how many years you have experience? I told him, sir, 5 years experience easily. So he again asked me, so you must go with management, what project management. He again asked me, have you done any project in your? So then I answered, Yes, sir. I have done 3 projects in ITC, and before that, I have done many projects. So he told me again. He suggest me, if you wish to go with project management, you had minimum 3 year experience with that project timeline. So think about the project management, and we will discuss in
See, up till now you didn't share anything, Vaibhav. I was asking the secrets about that. Now you saw, you got a chance, unpredictable chance, in which a person from a different background comes. But who made the communication? Who made the realism of what you are? That is your communication skill first. If suppose you would have said in Hindi or in Marathi, basically Pune side people are Marathi background. If you would have started in that way, sir, काय problem आहे, आम्ही ठीक करतो and all these things like that. So would that had created an impact in that way what you're having now? So I had some secret point of view what actually you shared with it. You were not actually saying, could be within yourself, but I wanted to share this. Now this is an inspiration. Now you got a source. Now you can work on project. Not only that, when you work, you can send that project to sir also. And he has given the guidelines that project management means what for you. Not only that, in your company or in your future planning, you can put into it. So how you make the communication, just imagine now. And you made the communication, and what profits you are getting, you see yourself. So yesterday, I should say that it was actually an inspiration part.
yes, yes, sir.
What I believe, what is coming into my ethics now, I can feel that yes, you have done a very great job. HOD department is coming to you entire because he went everywhere. He asked everyone that so and so problem is, but nobody. That is the reason I'm saying talent is not everywhere. It is within yourself only, and it is very difficult to identify. Now Pune is such a city in which many people are IT professionals, technical background and hardware background, everything they have. But since he being an HOD, he would have been a good relationship with everyone. But where he went, he didn't find any solution to it. Finally, he approached him. Therefore, he showed interest that yes, you go for project designing. If suppose 2-3 projects, if you share it also, could be possible an impression is made on at his vision actually.
Correct,
So
sir.
that way. So this is what communication brings: a certain surprise, a certain chance, a certain motivation, a certain inspiration. What he can do it. Because I'll tell you now, such problems is resolved by a person who they remember. Or in any case, a project designer is needed. Yes, I have one. Though he's not experienced, but I have full confidence in him that he can deliver that. Sometimes surprises works. So yesterday you had a nice story about yourself. Achha, most
Yes,
important
sir.
thing, I'll tell you. My purpose is to ask you is what you are embracing your communication more. At
Yes,
times we feel it is very childish. At times we feel that yes, why to take feedback and everything? It is very necessary to take feedback. Because what is my thought? Your communication should enhance. And all these stories is remembrance which needs to be cherished. I want you to bring it in front. Because don't forget inspiration, motivation. Because I know we are 5 in a team. But Vaibhav, how much profit it gave you, you only understand that. And for future also. It could be your ITC industry also where you can showcase all these things. Probably you said that, sir, yes, I've done a lot of projects on this. So more of web designing, more of IT thoughts, more of software skills you can develop for the company itself. Instantly, see, everything depends upon us, how we need to deliver that.
yes, sir.
You feel that how is the market there? What people are facing problems. And I am very different, means you yourself are different talent from others. What is missing out? Your speaking part. Because everybody in Pune starts the communication directly first in English only. What I feel. Because once you are qualified, graduate level, people start speaking in English only. So it is
Yes,
very easily to grasp the ideas what is belonging. Start. The first communication should start in English only. If suppose you feel, because you understand by the background. You understand by the background what the front person or the customer is speaking about. But when you deliver directly from first English, yes ma'am, yes sir, what is your problem? I will help you or I will try to solve the problem. you get in return English, and there you understand that yes, this person is somebody else, and I need to communicate in English only with them. I can't think, or probably I can say that surprisingly you can get some other big person on contact, and that creates a sort of a way, a sort of a different. It can happen. Surprise! I mean, to surprise for your job opportunities, for your remembrance, or for your name, or your thought, like that. Opportunities, basically, I can say. So it was yesterday, small bit of, because this you'll remember. This you'll remember. One HOD, principal HOD was there, and finally
Yes.
I helped him. It's an achievement. So good, Vaibhav, good.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes. No, I really appreciate, because such instances make your life. You feel yourself that where you are. Now we'll work on project designing. Now we'll work for, because whenever you time, I said recreation. Now, which recreation will bring profit for you? So this is there, project designing, website design. Sorry, website designing. Am I correct in your technical language? Of course, yes.
Yes,
So this,
it is right.
because sometimes what happens when I used to chalk out my program, I'll tell you, I used to get 3-4 people for the designing part. I never used to get convinced, because this becomes a talent actually. 4 people are there, everybody is good in designing, but the best one should come out. No? And when it comes out, you have the idea also to showcase that. Suppose I call all 4 of them. Now he's just doing the design and show me. This is the design. Nothing else is explaining. What does that mean? Because I'm not thinking for the design, I'm thinking for masses, the entire crowd. It could be 10,000 or 1 lakh people, because that ad is going out. Correct? So when we design in such a way that it should give the attraction. Instant action should be implemented. The other one will come, he'll say that, sir, colors and everything is fine, sir. Not only that is needed for me. Then other one will say that the topic is needs to be placed here, placed there, like that. And the 4th one will come with exact position, and he'll explain me everything. So this will give the impact. The name will be suggested in this way. The design will attract. The colors will show what actually we need for. And the content, what is there, sir? That will enhance and instantly give an impact. And finally, we'll get a feedback on this also. So probably we need to be different from others. And you have the talent of project designing. And how to enhance this, now you have to think about that. So recreation time, you can put yourself into it. It will be half an hour, depending upon you, how much time it takes. So good, Vaibhav, good. We'll proceed. We'll shift. Sushma, Rahul.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, dear.
Good morning, all. Yes, sir. I want to share about my yesterdays. Actually, yesterday when we start our session, I feel very saddy and very emotional. So after sir, okay.
Yes.
Then I thought I need to come out from this situation. So I recreate these things to call my mother, and I feel very happy to talk with her. And then I thought I should call my daughter. So I did video call to her, and I forgot all the things which had did before, and I feel very happy and energetic to the whole day. And so I did all the did my office work from home. I did support to users, and I did all my homework, means I did my housework meanwhile. And then, sir, means it was a very nice day for me. So I am very happy about yesterday. So that was my yes, sir. That was my yesterday. Actually, I thought, yes, sir.
You say, Rahul. First, you say.
Sir. Actually, I thought yesterday what happened morning means I got little bit emotional. So I thought, my day will go in a same way. I thought, but when I recreate this thing, the things were changed. So that's happened on yesterday.
See, the essence of life, I'll tell you this line, the essence of life depends upon how much happy you are,
Right.
how much content you are. It is there only. So within yourself only, it should be that yes, I need to be happy at any cost. I need to be happy at any situation. I need to be happy at any emotional grounds. See, yesterday also I said, if you do wrong, if we commit any mistake, no doubt, once if you say sorry or confess yourself or you say yes, sad for it, it happens to be that people understand. But that doesn't mean that if you are accepting that mistake, you have to be very strong enough. And you yourself saw it's how to bring out from this solution. You yourself thought, yes, talking to mommy would create the impact over. Seeing your daughter will take the suffering and problems over. Or else I can say that whatever the emotional grounds or thinking was there was totally over. So it depends upon us that how to cure this. But yes, it's a good sign. But I said you, Rahul, see, you are a realistic person now. When you convince, or I mean to say, when you confess that what you actually have done, that much is fine, dear. Because I know all five of you have different nature.
Yes.
Psychologically, also understand you how five you all are. And out of these five, apart from you, who else is more emotional? That also I can say. But see, it's a matter of myself understanding this. I can tell you that who is free enough. Though they also feel that yes, we are sorry, but I understand. See, different thoughts and different emotionally terminology every human being is having. So what you have to do, such emotional grounds, that particular moment you need to show your maturity. That moment only you need to show your thoughts are very clear. That doesn't mean that we have to just cry and show our emotional thoughts, our emotional feelings. Yes, sometimes we have to be very strong enough in our emotions, because if front person is an understanding person, no, he will identify that yes, you are particular feeling for a mistake done by you. You are feeling sorry for that. So next time, whenever such thing happens, it's a lesson, Rahul, it's a lesson to be learned. That in any circumstances, any situations, any problems, you have to withstand yourself and always be confident. Always be, yes, emotions are with everyone. ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता, without emotions nobody is there in this world. No. People cannot bring tears in their eyes, but inside how they are, everybody has emotions.
Yes.
That doesn't mean that yes, if emotional, don't let emotions overpower you. Instantly it should come, instantly it should go also. You can keep that feeling in your heart, no problem, but time changes. You saw the recreation, you saw that how to change my emotions into different aspects, and yesterday you enjoyed your day. You took mommy's help, she gave you helping hand. You saw daughter, that changed your mood, the entire thoughts and everything. Suppose your daughter do any mistake, suppose throwing here and there, you'll shout for a while. She'll also feel sorry for you, and you'll also feel sorry for her actually. So what happens to be here? Emotionally, you need to be strong first. Huh?
Yes.
So now it is the time to learn this. It's very important skill, emotions. This emotions, what happens to be, brings a person in depression, as yesterday Sachin said. So your emotions should be very strong enough. These emotions only play. People play with our emotions. So remember, out of
Yes.
any sort of emotions which comes into our heart, eyes, mind and everything, overcome that instantly.
Yes.
Yes. If the front person is an understanding person, he will accept whatever mistake you have done. But most importantly, if we are accepting, yes, I have done mistake, it's my problem, I did my mistake, so I'm sorry for it, fine. Because when we do it by heart, no, we understand that. So never think so thought that your emotions is overpowering you. Control your emotions. Don't let it go overpower you.
Yes, sir.
So then and there itself becomes strong enough. It's a very important
Actually, sir, it is one my weaknesses also. I can't control my emotions.
I was about to say this. In human being weakness, this is a very very important weakness actually. ऐसा नहीं है बेटू कि जो बहुत emotions रहता है. Actually, I mean to say, see, some are very rude in behavior. But one or the other day, such problems occurs, no, entire proudiness और entire rudeness चला जाता है इंसान से. और कोई ऐसा रहता है, somebody is like that, whatever is being said, you feel so sorry that you try to become more emotional, and it takes time for you to come out. So dono variation, both the variation people are there. It's not like that. Proudy people, they also are having emotions. And we say, na, life teaches. If you're proud enough, life teaches you also. One or the other day, you will also find depression or emotions and everything. It happens. It breaks. So emotions is a very, very important aspect of every human being, and it is there within every human being. In fact, animals also you can see. Trees also you can see. We see when we cut the trees, though they don't have tears, but it's a message of what the trees gives us, that your life is just because of me. But we consider trees as non-living thing. This is our mindset, human tendency actually. Basically, they don't understand. For animals also, without any reason, animals suffer. But nobody observes that they also do their families, how they take care, how they defend, how they attack, and how they take care about that. Many instances are there to learn about that. And they are also emotions. They also have emotions. So nobody is without emotions. But only thing is that we have to just overcome emotions and come up very instantly. Suppose in future, your boss or your seniors shouts at you and yell you, and they say all ill about you, that you're not able to do this work, you're not capable enough, you don't have efficiency, you are problematic, you cannot lead the team. Many things are there, but that doesn't mean that they have overpowered your emotions, and finally you are in depression, and bringing your self motivation, self confidence, self inspiration, self esteem down. वहीं एक मौका रहता है, you have to come up. That is only the situations when we need to come up like that. So always try to do it. See, this is not a part, I'll come and I'll put some medicine into it and I'll change it out. नहीं होता है. Unless and until you put interest, you put your thoughts very clear. It could be for 5 and it could be millions.
Yes, sir.
So don't let emotions overpower you. Yes, feeling, no issues, everybody has that. But that should not overpower you. Okay, Ram? Next time I don't want this here.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Try to be strong enough, because we understand everybody is associated. Fine? We proceed. Yes, Sachin? Sushma?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
So we are on yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Yesterday, as usual, started with the classes, got ready for the office. Yeah, I got late to the office, and nowadays the situation what is going on, no one claims me why you are late, because I have reason. Whenever I goes to get ready for office, I got calls, and I'm stuck in there. So that's the way my day started. I went to the office till 11:30 to 12. Then I have started my work. Though I got late, I have did my work till my lunchtime. Even in lunchtime, I skipped afternoon lunch, completed my work. Then I had lunch at 3:30 to 4. At that time, our branch used to close for customers. Then
So,
I have
Sachin, when you reach late, so that particular
yeah.
time nobody asks you what is the reason behind that you reached late?
No. Just our HR used to come at 4. Just normally he usually comes and as or 12 baje. I said, no, sir, that such things are going on. I have so many calls. It is not possible to reach on time. So he says, okay, I'm just kidding you.
So he says that he's kidding, like that.
Yeah, actually, we did chit chat every day. So he's not serious about that. He just said that.
Sachin is working which firm?
I'm working for Carvi Innotech and my site is HDFC Limited, Civil Lines.
So basically, you dealt with what?
Customer
Related
issues related
customer.
IT networks and their applications.
Okay, okay, okay. Mhm.
All
So, prob-
IT problems related to HDFC Limited comes to me, and I have to resolve them, even by
okay,
own or by taking help from our center teams from Mumbai.
okay. Mhm.
So
So,
that's the way day goes on, and after that I have one customer visit. I
mhm,
went there. After that I went to my marketplace.
mhm,
I face rainy rainy season. I
mhm,
have seated somewhere in a shelter and just
mhm,
enjoyed the time. The
mhm.
rain goes off, and after that I'll back to my home.
So Sachin is quite lucky enough that he doesn't face his everyday problem or some challenging part issues, isn't it so? Because
No,
your boss.
yesterday was little bit easy.
Mhm,
The only thing is that I skipped my lunchtime, and it
mhm,
got too much late as compared
mhm,
to every day.
mhm. Okay, so yesterday it went on like this with you, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
And what is today's plan? To reach on time or not?
Of course not. It is a time I have taken.
Mhm,
I got this time to be late, and no one
mhm.
can claim that why you
Probably,
are late.
probably Sachin will understand unless and until he transfers himself to a big company. Am I clear about that?
No, it's not that. The main
Mhm,
thing is whenever there is a necessity that I have to reach on time, of
mhm,
course I will be. But if there is
mhm.
not, why I need to be?
You have to sign something like that for your punch or something like that for your attendance.
No,
Or-
actually, we have an application from which we have to regularize attendance. That
Mhm.
that means today's attendance I can regularize tomorrow.
So manipulation can be done on that application.
Yeah, yeah,
Is it?
yes. And all our HOD, all our leaders, managers were seated in Mumbai. No one is here except me.
They also reach late.
Sorry.
They also reach late, or they also punch then attendance late like that. Since manipulation is done, there is
Same,
no
same.
option.
They punch or they'll regularize their attendance, but they don't know physically what is going on.
Acha.
They only know the things which they get reported or I inform them.
Okay, okay. So actually, the working process of the company goes in this way. You mean to say like that?
Yeah, sometimes it goes profitable to me, and sometimes it goes very hectic to me. Like whenever I want to leave from office, I have to inform them before a month, and even after that, they used to said me that your engineer not got arranged, so you have to cancel your leaves. So it
So
gets very
this.
hectic. So yeah, I have to go office at any cost. No
But
leaves, no nothing. You have to handle everything.
have you ever thought, Sachin, to make progress or to make promoted into this company? You want to continue with this
Mm,
company or you want to shift
no,
somewhere
no,
else?
no. Of course, I want to shift. There is
You
no
want.
progress here. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Probably you will not have such sort of work process in other company, isn't it so?
No.
So we hope as soon as possible you try to shift now. What?
Yes, I'm
And,
actually.
and to be designated,
I'm,
and promoted to a new company.
yeah.
What we wish for you.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay. Hope today how you enjoy the day. Let's see. Tomorrow again I'll ask you this question. What?
Yes. Of course.
Yes, Sushma is there. Good, yeah, good.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, Sushma. Say.
Uh, Good morning, sir.
Hmm.
Good morning, everyone. I hope I'm audible because I have some network issue.
Hmm.
So am I?
Yeah. Yes. Go ahead. Yeah.
Okay. About yesterday,
Hmm.
actually, since Saturday, I'm at my auntie's place for my cousin's wedding ceremony.
Okay.
So I'm still here, sir.
Hmm.
So yesterday, I wake up in 7 a.m.
Hmm.
uh, and then I help to my aunties for making breakfast for everyone, and then
Hmm.
we had it. And after I take a bath. I have taken a bath. Then spend time with my cousins and uh, family because after a year we are here, and in lockdown periods uh, we uh, uh, we have not been here. So we are staying here from last 4 days. So we
You.
spend time with my cousins and my family, and after in afternoon we had lunch with everyone. Uh, I cooked a pulao and curry. Then we all have sat together and have had it. Then in evening we discussed, because I said, after a year we are meeting with each other. So discussion with everyone, with cousins, with my elder mother, and with family. And in evening, we all have dinner together, and then that's how I ended my day with my family. And sorry, in evening we had attend reception party at groom's house, and then we came at 11, and I ended my day with my family with this ceremony.
So you are in Nagpur only, or
Yes,
out of?
sir. I'm
Okay.
hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I'm in Nagpur.
Acha. The marriage and everything went
In
on in.
Nagpur, sir, only. In Nagpur only.
Okay, fine. So you are on leave now? How many days?
Sir, for only Monday.
Only for one day.
Because Saturday, Sunday is holiday for me.
Off for bank.
Uh,
Okay. So there is no. So did you join the office?
no, sir, from today onwards. But I mean, nobody allows me to go. So we'll see. At 10:30, I have to go. If possible, I'll go from here only.
Is it such thing like that? Prefix and suffix. Leaves have been deducted.
No, sir. I have leaves.
I have.
I have leaves. No,
You had leaves pending.
right. Yeah, right.
So therefore you utilize that.
Yeah, right, sir.
Okay. And do you have this rule that prefix and suffix, if it is there, then leaves will be deducted? Is it there in bank?
No, no, sir. No. We have a PL, CL, and mandatory leaves. But we have to request first. I have to ask first to my branch manager
Yes, yes.
for leave. We have to inform before 9 a.m.
Yeah. Prior permission is needed through application or through mail or something like that. And finally, we
No,
can.
sir. Just a message. Just only message on WhatsApp. And mark
See,
a leave from on the system next day.
I'll tell you one question I have in this, very important. That is it so? This is only the difference between a private banks and government banks or public sector banks.
So for my job, I am a private worker. My company is a corporate level. So
Yes,
before
yes.
also I worked in a. Only the difference is private bank and nationalized bank. So
That is
yes,
what.
there is a difference.
No, working
Um,
professional, this is the difference, isn't it so?
yeah, right, sir. Of course.
Suppose you become a branch manager, we hope and we wish. Suppose you become a branch manager. So you'll also give the same sort of permission to your employees that if they send a
Sir,
message.
if it is necessary and
If what did you
if it
say?
is urgent.
Okay. You'll never ask this that why is it so? You'll never ask this that
For
you need to send me an invitation or you need to just give a pic of that invitation card, something like that.
sorry, sir, I didn't get you actually.
I mean to say, suppose your employee says you that I want to go for a 3-day, 4-day leave
Right,
since so and so wedding is there.
right.
So you give the permission directly.
No, sir.
Anything. Invitation.
Actually, if person wants to get leave, then for 4 or 1 week, more than 2 days, then he or she should inform me before 1 week. And if it's emergency for 1 day or 2 days, so it can be adjustable. But if he or she wants leave for a whole 1 week or more than 2 days, then he should inform me before 1 week.
Actually, what happens, so my purpose was to ask you this question was, when we become or we get a post, then how we need to deliver ourselves. That is more important. For example, yesterday I saw the Nagpur Municipal Commissioner strictly said that we'll have a lockdown.
Right.
We have a lockdown for 1 week or 10 days. That strict lockdown. Who doesn't support strict actions will be initiated. Whereas the political parties of Nagpur are against that particular municipal commissioner. Here, I mean to say, when you get a designated post, how to do the work, that is more important. Your ethics should say that yes, it is for the betterment of the city, therefore is doing that. In the same manner, I asked you, if you become a designated officer there, how will you implement? Because same thing doesn't happen in private banks, I feel. There is a difference for reason I asked you. If you become a designated officer, you will try to change this?
Yes, sir. Of course. I will.
Let's suppose somebody asks you for leave and you'll provide them the leaves?
Right, sir. But he or she should inform me first.
Yes, you mean to say that? Yes, I will provide depending upon all the nooks and corners I ask. And then
Right.
what happens? Later on, possibly they'll think over it. That such Fine. So we were actually discussing from past 2 days about the entire session, what we have gone through, and we were just discussing whatever things has been missed out or something. And if anybody wants to share apart from whatever the topics we had discussed up till now. So we were approaching in that way. Presently, I could request, sir, by the time, Prashant sir, I could request that we can play the video. By the time, I'll ask small game as yesterday we played about. It's a word building, ransom mind game. So in which yesterday only Sachin versus Rahul was there. And they made a very good competition and finally they did it. Now I'll pass on to everyone.
Yes, we had enjoyed yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday. So, hello.
What happened?
You'll get to know. First, alphabetical order will go, chance by chance. I'll provide one word for it, and you have to go very fast. Frame the sentence, and out of that sentence, I'll again pick out one word. And suppose Rahul's turn is next. Then Rahul will say that sentence, including that word, what is being said to him. And then finally, from Rahul's sentence, I'll take out one word and I'll give it to Shubham. Then Shubham will say a sentence on that. Finally, Shubham will create a sentence based on that word. Then I'll take out one word from there. Then Weber will say in that way. Like that we were supposed to do. Yesterday, we did spell bee competition also. And probably everybody did nicely. In fact, Sachin did nicely. Some part of mistakes. Because I am trying to enhance your writing skills. You are good in speaking, but whenever I saw your assignments written, I saw lots of mistakes in your spelling errors. We need to focus upon the spelling errors too, which I had yesterday orally also when I tried to communicate with you. So we'll just start this game. First, Sachin and Rahul. We'll start from there. And then finally, I'll put forward. Because with Sachin and Rahul, you will understand what actually we are trying to do. But you need to be very instant and very firm. Means quick. You need to get quick with this. Meanwhile, I request Prashant sir to upload that video. The moment sir gives an indication to me, then I'll stop that game. And then finally, we'll come forward with the video also. So we'll be starting now. So Sachin and Rahul will give you a best example how we started yesterday. So Sachin, are you ready, dear? Rahul?
Yes, sir.
Good. So first word, deplete. Sachin, deplete. Sentence?
Sorry?
Deplete.
Deplete.
Huh.
I didn't get the word actually.
Take it as depend.
Depend.
Hmm.
Everything depends on the situation.
Rahul, situation.
Yesterday I stuck at one situation.
Struck.
Stuck.
Sachin?
Uh, Usually people stuck somewhere due to their presence of mind.
Presence, Rahul.
Presence. Prashant sir and you have a very good presence of mind.
Mind, Shubham, mind. Shubham, don't be late, mind.
Sorry, मैंने mic नहीं किया. Mind games.
What?
Sorry sir, मैंने mic चालू नहीं किया था.
Mind.
Mind games. Mind games. Mind games are usually common in office staffs. Office staff.
Common. Verb of common.
Common thing is happening to daily, and people are happy with that.
Okay, daily, Sushma.
I daily read books.
I daily read books. Books, Sachin.
Books are good friends of humans when there is no electricity.
Okay, human. Human.
Human sir, right?
Yeah, human.
Human. Human.
Quick.
Sir.
Human are foolish.
In our
Quick, Rahul. Quick. Human. You should say pass, otherwise pass.
pass.
Shubham, human.
Human beings are the really good sense of humors as compared to other animals.
Sense, Weber.
ये छोटा
Sense of humor is not one thing which women have.
अरे सुषमा भी है.
Sorry, not women.
What?
Humans. It is not only things which
This
I
is
heard. I don't know what. And
Sushma.
very clearly.
Sushma,
I
you-
guess intentionally.
See, I actually when you participate, I feel very happy when you participate. And this is not the part of errors what you do. It's a part of just presence of mind. Sometimes it happens to be, suddenly a word, a sentence is being thrown at you. I mean to say, it can be in any situation. You need to deliver what actually the presence of mind says. It can happen, the mistakes. And this is the essence of actually what activity we are doing. So, Sushma, with humor,
Humor, sir.
yeah.
People always have always should keep his humor alive.
Alive, no? Alive, you said
Yes,
us.
right. Alive, sir.
Sachin, alive.
Being alive is a good quality, but to be awake is a better one.
Awake. Rahul, awake.
Awake.
Awake. Utna. Awake.
Utna. Today I wake up at 6:30.
awake.
See, I awake. Okay, I'll change. I'll make the correction.
Okay.
6:30. Shubham.
6:30. In morning 6:30, I have attend my classes.
Attend. Weber. Attend.
I have attended yesterday classes, but no one knows that I was present yesterday in the communication section.
Yesterday. Shubham, yesterday.
Just like
Sir, for the
Yesterday.
For you.
Yesterday. Yeah.
yesterday.
Yesterday I'm not able to attend class, and I'm very sorry for that.
Able.
Able.
Accept your apology accepted.
Thank
Able.
you, sir.
Sachin, able.
Everyone able to do much more things, but due to their thinking, they lack so many things.
Framing of the sentence. Thinking. Rahul.
everyone should think upon what they did and what will they do.
Rahul, stress on word. If I say thinking, you have to frame the answer on thinking or the sentence. Don't say
Okay, sir.
thinking and you're framing the sentence with think. Okay?
Okay, sir. Sir, I can say everyone should thinking about their work, what they did, and what they will do.
Should be thinking. Should be. Future
Should be
बोल रहे
thinking, right,
हैं.
sir? Should be thinking, right?
Work. Shubham, work. Work.
We're working really well in present condition. Hello.
Shubham,
Yeah.
work.
We're working really well in our present company.
Pleasant. Weber.
Present.
Pleasant. Pleasant.
He
Khushi.
said
Khushi.
present. Okay, pleasant.
Pleasant means
I feel pleasant whenever I do work, any types of work or work assigned to me.
okay. Okay. Given. Yes. Assign. Sushma, assign.
My boss assigned me this duty.
Weber, assign you this duty.
Her boss assigned her some duties.
Boss assigned her some duty. Boss. Yes. Certain boss.
We have here business head of all over Vidarbha, and our office colleagues used to call him boss.
Okay.
Colleagues.
Colleagues, I have a good colleagues in my office,
Office. Okay.
and
uh-huh.
communication class also,
Communication.
which are going now.
Acha. Office. Shubham.
In office, we need to create a really good environment for the good communication, for the avoid communication gap.
Yeah. See. Wait. Now we proceed with the video. Before we start, Shubham, I just want sentence video. Cut short and be very specific. Or whenever you start with it, don't start with this like this. Like that. बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. Okay. When you start now, continuous flow I want. Don't use this pause word and everything. Shubham. Make it very clear. And regular practice will have this. It will enhance that. So first we'll watch the video. I hope you enjoyed that छोटा सा playing game.
Really well said.
Every day we'll have that.
It is fine. It is
Yeah,
good.
and you're speaking. Presence of mind, the quickness, what you errors if you make, we'll enjoy. We will enjoy. But try to improve on that. Let's go ahead with this video. We'll start.
Who sang a song?
So volume. Prashant sir, request volume. So volume.
So this not audible.
Yeah, I also suggested. We request Prashant sir.
A habit is established, it can be extremely difficult to break it. And today I'm going to share with you some of.
Now it is audible, sir. Hello. Again, pause. So again, please. Now it was audible. Audible, sir. Now audible.
Do your friends stare at you when you knock things off the table with your elbows? Have you noticed people backing away from you when you get too close to them? If you answered yes to either of these questions, you might need to think of some of the reasons why this may be happening. Well, you could start by working on changing your social habits from bad ones to good ones. The habits that will attract people rather than push them away. So it's a known fact that once a habit is established, it can be extremely difficult to break it. And today I'm going to share with you some of the worst etiquette habits that should be changed as soon as possible. To know if you have any of them, keep watching this session with me about breaking 20 bad habits that can affect your relationships. My name is Michelle and you're watching me on Skillopedia, the place to develop skills for the real world. Let's start. So let's begin with some bad habits associated with eating and drinking. The first one is talking with your what is that? Mouth full. So talking with a mouthful of food is just so rude and a sign that you need to learn some table manners. So chew your food, swallow it, and then talk. If you're asked a question, you can gesture and say that you will answer after you swallow. So if somebody asks you, hey Mark, can you tell me when can we meet this evening? And you're having your lunch, you could say, and then say what you have to say after you finish chewing. And the other thing is don't rush. If the other person really wants to hear what you have to say, they'll wait. It's better than seeing a mouthful, don't you think? The other habit that is associated with eating and drinking is elbows on the table. This might seem harmless until you knock over a plate or push a glass off the edge, causing the content to spill. So it's best to sit back and keep your elbows to yourself on the table. And next one is drinking too much. So I'm not talking about coffee, tea, water, or soda. When you're in a social situation that involves drinking alcohol, avoid overindulgence, which means drinking too much alcohol. Maybe it helps you feel more social, but it can also cause you to say or do things you'll regret later. Most of the time, you won't get a do-over, which means a second chance to change what you said. So stop before you feel the buzz. And if you drink too much and make a fool of yourself, you might not find yourself in the host's next guest list. And the other thing about dining, which is eating and drinking, is taking food off someone else's plate. So are you guilty of seeing something on another person's plate and immediately stabbing it with your fork, like you also want it? This is rude and may cause you to get your hand slapped. Never take food off anyone else's plate unless it is offered. This is a sure no-no. And another part of eating and drinking is dining, where some people tip the waiters very little. So what I'm saying is when you go out for dinners, do you find yourself tipping the waiters really less? Okay. So I don't mean you should give out a fortune, which means give them too much money. But remember that many people who rely on your tips make below minimum wage. And so when you tip them, it helps them support their families. So I'd suggest that you tip according to the type and quality of service provided. Now we are going to move on to bad manners associated with communication. Earlier, we looked at bad manners associated with drinking and eating. Now let's talk about communication. So the first thing on my list is making inappropriate comments. Have you ever noticed that some people seem to have no speech filters, as in they say whatever they want to say? If you suspect that you could be one of them, then I'd suggest that you stop and think before you speak. Even if someone is wearing shoes that clash with her dress and do not match, you don't want to embarrass yourself or anyone else by constantly making rude comments. And the second bad habit that can affect healthy communication is chronic cell phone use. So cell phones are wonderful until they replace personal contact. So if you're one of those people who are constantly glued to their electronic device, don't be upset if all your friends stop talking to you.
सर मुकेश का पेमेंट ब्लॉक हो गया है
आपके पेपर because this is what happens when you have the habit of chronically, as in always using your phones. So the key is, when you're with others, put your cell phone away. Now let's look at some more communication mistakes that people make socially. So next is the use of sarcasm and insults. So sarcasm is funny, which means to make ironic comments or to make kind of rude comments to somebody. So it's funny to everyone but the person about whom you're making the comments. So when you feel that you have a desire to be sarcastic with someone or to give out a rude comment, I would say that you bite your tongue until you stop thinking of doing that. Remember that if you can't say something nice, either Don't say it at all, or wait until you have a chance to think about whether or not you want to keep that person as a friend. Because if you're too sarcastic with them, I'm sure you'll lose your friend. Another habit that is associated with communication is talking too loud. So this is another thing which is associated with poor manner as well. Some people seem to talk at a high volume all the time. The reason could be that someone close to them is hard of hearing, or maybe they don't realize how loud they are. Well, it's important to check your volume. Remember that most people can hear just fine. So practice talking more softly unless the other person asks you to speak up. So this is another communication mistake that you should be aware of. Now, talking too loudly is followed by interrupting. I do know that there are many times when the only way to get your message across is to interrupt the non-stop chattering that is happening around you. But interrupting when it's not necessary is really a bad form. You should wait until the other person pauses or stops talking before you open your mouth. You should only interrupt when it's necessary. So, we've already looked at eating, drinking, and communication, some bad habits associated to these three categories. And now I'm going to talk about my final category for this session, which is bad manners associated with behavior in public. So, the first one is invading personal space, which means to stand or sit way too close to somebody. So no matter how close you are to someone in terms of your relationship, you should give him or her some personal space. So no one likes having someone hovering around them all the time. You know, like a bee hovers around a flower. You don't want to be like that bee. So you'll be amazed by how suddenly people will be more comfortable around you when you start giving them their personal space. So this is my tip number one, which is related to behavior in public. And the next one is public display of affection, which is popularly known as PDA. All right. This means when couples show their love for each other in front of others. So for some people, PDA is so cool, and for them it's like, if my partner loves me a lot, he will show me affection publicly. But socially, PDA is not very cool. It's basically making the people around you very uncomfortable, which may include children among others. So I'd say that many people are embarrassed by public display of affection. So keep things cool until you're behind closed doors, and it's not good to display public affection way too much. And now let's talk about another public habit or etiquette that can turn people off. And this one is poor hygiene and gross actions. So most personal hygiene needs to be conducted in private. So even if you need to brush your hair, never do it at the table, be that in your office or be that on a dinner table. Please don't do that. The best thing is to get up and find a restroom. And if you're consistently doing gross things, please stop. No one wants to be around people who constantly spit or pick their nose or scratch their private areas in public, which is not cool. Now, what we have is cutting in line. So remember what you learned.
Hello, vous avez besoin d'un site professionnel? Je viens de créer le mien avec Wix pour mon studio de boxe. Je vous montre? Tout d'abord, rendez-vous.
Learned in kindergarten, get in the back of the line and wait for your turn. And if you don't do this, you can get into all kinds of trouble. And this is an extremely ill-mannered behavior. So do not cut in the line. And the next behavior that I'm going to talk about is dropping trash on the ground. Well, this is also associated to social behavior or public behavior. So after you finish your food or drink, the best thing is to look for a dustbin for the wrapper. If you drop your garbage on the ground, that comes across as very ill-mannered, and the worst part is that it leaves a mess for someone else to clean up, which is not cool at all. And the last one in this category is laughing at other people's bad luck, right? So as funny as it may seem, when something bad happens to someone else, I think you should avoid the urge to laugh. So if you want to really laugh, try biting the inside of your cheeks, like, yeah, that'll help you to stop laughing or not laugh at all. So remember that it's not funny to the person who experiences the misfortune. And it's very rude to laugh at him or her, even in front of them. That's extremely rude. You shouldn't even do it behind them. I should not end here. I should tell you about one more thing that I have had a lot from other people, which is staring. So although looking someone in the eye, as in maintaining eye contact, is a good thing, especially when someone is talking to you. But it's not a good idea to stare at someone. And let's say that someone did see you staring at them. In that situation, I think you should just look at them. I mean, continue looking at them. and give a smile and then turn somewhere else. Do not turn somewhere else without smiling at them, because then it will look like you're trying to hide the fact that you are staring at them. So please don't stare in public. So here we are at the end of this session. I want you to keep in mind that it can take a while to change your habits. So you might need a reminder every now and then. And for this, you can let your friends know that you have these habits. And the next time you do something like that, ask them to remind you, right? And please don't justify your bad behavior, because if you do that, then there is...
yeah. I know we are short late. Prashant sir, sorry for taking 5 minutes more. I hope we enjoyed this video. And with this message, stay happy, stay good, enjoy the day. We'll come to the end of this session. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. Good day.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.